Welcome to qnawire.
So a solution of magnesium sulfate heptahydrate and insoluble solids is heated to dissolve the MgSO4 in water and then filtered to remove our solids, followed by a cooler that causes recrystallization and a second filter step to remove the crystals. And then we can recycle our filtrate from this back into the system. So in the first part of the podcast, we will be discussing that the heating of the solution in the tank dissolves all of the MgSO4 and .7H2O, and then filtering removes the insoluble minerals in the saturated solution. Cooling by recrystallizes MgSO4, which can be recovered by filtering again. So moving on to the second part here. So we need to calculate the mass of filtered cake as followed. M.cake 105 lb cake divided by 100 lbm s multiplied by xs multiplied by m dot or. So what we get is a value of 6,300 lb per hour. So next we can write the mass balance equation around the entire system for the MgSO4.7H2O. Following this, once we have a mass fraction of MgSO4.7H2O in ore, that is 0.9. Solubility of saturated magnesium at 110 degrees Fahrenheit is 0.32, and at 50 degrees Fahrenheit it's 0.23. And the mass of the crystal for 5 pound saturated solution at 50 degrees Fahrenheit is 100 pounds. So we substitute these values in, and then following this we get m.c, that is 55,194 lbm per hour. So following this, because the total number amount of the cake from the second filter, we can calculate the production rate of the crystal product by accounting for the 5 pounds of solution per 100 pounds of solid. So we have m.crystal is equal to mc, which we just calculated, divided by 1.05 lbm cake over lbm crystal. We get a value of 52,565 lbm per hour. So the flow rate of the water we can find by doing a total balance around the system. So m.w is equal to 1,494 lbm per hour. So looking at the final part now, we can calculate the ratio of the recycled mass to water mass, which is Rw is equal to m.r over m.w. That's equal to 95,715 lbm per hour. Divide that by 1,494 lbm per hour, that's 64 pounds recycled per pound of water.